The 48-hour business rule is a powerful concept. It emphasizes speed. It values action over perfection. In the fast-paced business world, waiting is risky. This rule encourages us to act fast. We have 48 hours to move from idea to action. This time frame is deliberate. It creates urgency. It forces us to focus on the essentials. We avoid getting bogged down in details. Instead, we prioritize launching and learning. This approach aligns with the lean startup methodology. The 48-hour business rule is about experimentation. It's about embracing the unknown. Not every idea will be a success. But by acting quickly, we gain valuable feedback. This allows us to adapt and improve. This rule is not about rushing blindly, it's about calculated action. It's about testing assumptions and gathering data. This data guides our next steps. It helps us make informed decisions. The 48-hour business rule embraces imperfection. It recognizes that done is better than perfect. Perfectionism can be paralyzing. It can prevent us from taking the first step. Waiting for the perfect moment is dangerous. The business landscape is constantly changing. Opportunities can disappear quickly. By taking action, we seize these opportunities. We gain a competitive edge. Consider the example of a new product launch. A company could spend months perfecting their product. They might conduct extensive market research. They might refine every detail. However, by the time they launch, the market might have shifted. A competitor might have already captured the target audience. In contrast, a company that embraces the 48-hour rule would launch a minimum viable product, or MVP. This MVP would have the core features. It would be launched quickly to gather feedback. This feedback would inform further development. Overthinking is a common obstacle to action. We can get caught in analysis paralysis. We overanalyze every detail. We worry about potential risks. This can lead to inaction and missed opportunities. The 48-hour business rule helps us overcome this. The short time frame forces us to make decisions. It pushes us to trust our instincts. It encourages us to learn by doing. Moreover, taking action quickly generates momentum. It creates a sense of progress. This can be highly motivating. As we see our ideas come to life, we gain confidence. We are more likely to persevere through challenges. The 48-hour business rule is not about making reckless decisions. It's about finding a balance between planning and action. It's about recognizing that we learn more from action than from inaction. The 48-hour business rule is a valuable tool for entrepreneurs and businesses alike. It encourages a bias for action, rapid experimentation, and continuous learning. It helps us overcome perfectionism and seize opportunities. By embracing this rule, we can reduce time to market, launch products and services faster, gather early feedback, validate ideas and make informed decisions, iterate and improve, continuously refine our offerings based on market feedback, and stay ahead of the curve, adapting to changing market dynamics. The 48-hour business rule is a mindset shift. It's about embracing speed and agility. It's about viewing failure as a learning opportunity. In today's dynamic business environment, this approach is essential for success.